Ladies and gentlemen, we have some wonderful news from Elon Musk and Tesla. The billionaire entrepreneur and his team have been hard at work in Texas, and the arrival of the second Tesla Cybertruck Giga has just been verified. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about Elon Musk just confirmed the second Tesla Cybertruck Giga has arrived in Texas. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. That's correct, we're talking about the futuristic sci-fi inspired car that has sparked interest since its unveiling in 2019. We don't know about you, but we've been looking forward to the release of the Cybertruck since we first saw it. Have you seen the geometric lines and sharp edges? It looks like something out of a dystopian novel, but let's be honest. Elon Musk is the only person who can make a car that appears like it was taken from the pages of a science fiction novel a reality. In terms of actuality, with the advent of the second megapress, the Cybertruck is one step closer to becoming a tangible, drivable machine. According to reports, the IDRA just delivered a second 9,000-ton Giga press machine to assist with manufacturing. According to Cybertruck enthusiast, who is constantly updated on the latest Tesla news, more IDRA components arrived in Texas this month and were transported like last. It came from Genoa, Italy. But what's inside those boxes? Die-casting machine parts, according to the bill of lading. Die-casting machinery, sure, the key to making high-quality lightweight metal components. If that wasn't enough, additional shipping records show that multiple cartons from IDRA were also delivered to Gigafactory, Texas, including additional die-casting machinery. All kidding aside, these Giga press machines are quite incredible pieces of machinery. They enable Tesla to construct full body panels for the Cybertruck in a single piece, reducing weight and eliminating the need for welding. Furthermore, it is a more efficient production process, which benefits both Tesla and its customers. And we know Tesla doesn't waste time on getting things done, based on how soon the first Gigapress was up and operating. Do you recall the first Megapress, which arrived in December in Giga, Texas? It was like something out of a science fiction film. Joe Tetmeyer, the drone operator, even caught sight of the gigantic equipment being placed via a window in the factory's casting section. However, our glimpse inside the world of Tesla's Cybertruck production was brief, as the corporation promptly shut up the windows to prevent any further views behind the curtain. However, when making the Cybertruck, the Gigapress is only one piece of the puzzle. Tesla has also received a swarm of Kuka robots to aid the assembly process. They also don't mess around when it comes to hiring. The company has posted job openings for Cybertruck production positions left and right. It's fantastic to see how Tesla's collaboration with IDRA bears fruit. The Giga press machines have become an essential part of Tesla's manufacturing process, and it's evident that they're not going away. But how will this gadget affect the future of Cybertruck? The acquisition of IDRA's Giga press machines by Tesla has changed the game in the electric vehicle business. These machines can produce huge and complicated castings at unparalleled speeds and efficiency, allowing Tesla to produce automobiles significantly faster than ever before. To begin, let's go through how the Giga press machines work. These machines use the high-pressure die-casting technique to make massive and complex aluminum parts for electric vehicles. The process begins with molten aluminum being injected at high pressure into a steel mold, which produces the required shape of the item. After that, the mold is opened, and the part is retrieved and ready for finishing and assembly. Tesla benefits greatly from the Giga press machine's ability to produce massive parts in a single piece. Previously, the organization had to assemble multiple smaller parts to build a larger one, which was time-consuming and expensive. With the Giga press machines, Tesla can now make huge parts with more accuracy and at a faster rate, improving overall manufacturing efficiency. The speed of the Giga press machines is one of its most significant features. The devices can produce massive pieces in minutes faster than traditional casting methods. This has enabled Tesla to boost the speed of its production line, allowing it to create more automobiles in less time. This has enabled the company to meet the huge electric vehicle demand while reducing its order backlog. Let me now discuss the most recent Giga press machine purchased by Tesla for the Cybertruck. With 9,000 tons capacity, this machine is the world's largest and most powerful Giga press machine. However, the production of the Cybertruck has been delayed because of the intricacy of its design, which necessitates the manufacture of massive and sophisticated elements. This issue is expected to be resolved by purchasing the most recent Giga press machine for the Cybertruck. The machine can produce big and complicated aluminum parts with remarkable speed and accuracy, allowing Tesla to produce the Cybertruck considerably faster. This will allow the corporation to meet the truck's high demand while reducing its order backlog. Furthermore, the new Giga press machine is projected to increase the quality of the Cybertruck parts. The machine can produce more accurate and consistent parts, resulting in stronger and more durable parts. This will lessen the need for repairs and replacements, saving Tesla and its customers time and money. But if you thought IDRA was only for that, wait till you hear this. With over 70 years of expertise in the industry, IDRA Group is a major global supplier of high-pressure die-casting machines. Based in Italy, the company has a global presence and has established itself as a leader in innovative casting methods. Paolo Zanardi created the company in 1946 when he began manufacturing tiny zinc and aluminum die-casting machines. IDRA grew its company in the following years, entering new markets and producing new products. Today, the company is known for its high-quality Giga press machines, which can produce massive quantities with high precision and efficiency. IDRA's success is due to its dedication to research and development. The organization has a team of engineers and professionals committed to developing and upgrading new technologies. IDRA's Research and Development section works with universities, research institutes, and clients to detect new trends, develop solutions, and improve machine performance. Another important component of IDRA's success is its emphasis on sustainability. The organization is dedicated to lowering the environmental effects of its activities and goods. IDRA's Giga press machines are engineered to consume less energy and generate less waste than traditional casting methods, making them a more environmentally friendly solution for large production. IDRA also actively participates in recycling and waste reduction programs, encouraging sustainable practices. IDRA's customers are some of the world's biggest corporations in the automotive, aerospace, and electronics industries. The company has a strong presence in Europe, Asia, and North America and is expanding its global footprint. IDRA's success is built on its ability to produce high-quality goods and services adapted to its clients' demands. The company's emphasis on research and development, along with its commitment to sustainability, has enabled it to produce more cutting-edge technologies that satisfy the changing needs of its customers. With the growing demand for electric vehicles, IDRA's collaboration with Tesla is poised to change the face of the automotive industry and open up new avenues for growth and innovation in the years ahead. Overall, Tesla's collaboration with IDRA and its acquisition of Giga press machines have enabled the business to push the boundaries of electric vehicle manufacturing. Because of the utilization of cutting-edge machines, the company has been able to develop vehicles that are not only environmentally friendly but also beautiful and inventive. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.